Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MEGAT bin FUAD, group member of the PETRONAS team for IMC 413 in retrieval. So let's go to the introduction. Alright, in 7.0, so why PETRONAS collect the personal data, or what's the purpose behind it? So there's four main purpose that why PETRONAS retrieve from the data. First is to communicate effectively with customer and conduct the PETRONAS business. So it is vital to have a good relationship with our customer and the other client charter. The second one is personalization. So in personalization, data provided by the customer with their consent. So when people giving information to Petronas, they can ensure the content of the website that being optimized according to their device. So the third one is to monitor the certain activities. As we all know, Petronas may not observe everything that they handle. So with this purpose of collection of data, they can measure the service quality, the payment related. So the security can be enhanced and no misuse of the data can be steal or using from the Petronas. So the last but not least is the connection with legal or regulatory obligation. So in maintaining the safeness of data that being collected, which may include the disclosing of the personal data to the third parties, which are the court service under the regulatory of law enforcement agencies. So they may use this data for investigation anywhere in the world if they want or they come up in at the Petronas. Next is cybersecurity and data protection. In Petronas, they identify cybersecurity as the data protection as the key material to the topic under the responsible governance. So what's the responsible governance? There's three main things they have underlined, which is the ensuring operational of reliability, protecting the stakeholder data, and maintaining the trust. So under this, Petronas also committed in safeguarding the integrity in terms of four aspects. The first aspect is strategic importance. Second one is compliance with standards. Third one is proactive measure, and the last one is the data protection policies. Next is the quantity of unit of information by Pertonas, improving the financial report. So each company have their own financial report that may be published by year. So how does Petronas produce their financial report? So in the Petronas financial report, they consists of revenue, expense, total profit, total assets, profits, taxes, auditing, and many more. This is some basic thing that are including in the financial report. So Petronas divided into 4 quarters each year. So they include the first quarter is in the December until March. The second quarter is in March until June. The third quarter is June until September, and the fourth quarter is September until December in each year. So the December here is started from the last year. For example, in 2023, so that's the December they start, and they end in March 2024, for example. So that's how the data in how the Petronas quantify their units in the financial reports. That's all from me.
Petronas National Berhad, or also known as Petronas, was established in 1974. It is one of the biggest oil and gas company in Malaysia. Their core business is producing oil and gas, managing electrical company, and also contributing to the energy sector. Petronas main headquarters is located in Kuala Lumpur, and their current CEO is Datuk Tengku Muhammad Taufik Tengku Aziz. The latest project focuses on creating an environment with net zero carbon emission, which aims to help reduce global temperatures. How Petronas store the information? The stored information is managed using advanced digital technology, mainly cloud computing, that allow efficient storage, access, and also security. The data is classified based on its sensitivity that ensure confidential information is well protected, while its relevance making sure only useful data is retained and utilized effectively. Next, we go to how Petronas retrieve their information. The information is retrieved from various sources, including individual, customers, clients, company, and also representative. It is collected from both online through website, apps, and also digital platform. And they also collected the data from offline through physical document, feedback, face-to-face interaction, and other traditional methods.
Next is what Petronas use in storing their information, which is they use microdata. Microdata is to store and process operational data, real-time decision making, safeguarding intellectual property, and property information. It has 2D seismic data, 3D seismic data, full tensor gravity FGT data, discovered resource opportunities, which is DRO. Next is how Petronas disseminate the reports. There are 8 of them, which is integrated and annual, financial, operational, publication, sustainability, human rights, and Petronas activity outlook, and others.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad IKHWAN bin Abdul Razak, and I'm going to talk about Petronas data warehousing facilities. So, Petronas data facilities is located in Selangor, Malaysia, and it's called Petronas Geoscience Center. Petronas Geoscience Center is designated as a one-stop data center for Petronas data. In the facilities, the data is managed and stored effectively so that the data is always available and users are able to access for the benefit of the industry and nation. Their aspiration is to become a center of the best in managing geoscience data and knowledge for Petronas business and aiding public interest. So next is how Petronas information is utilized in the unit. So Petronas has entered a partnership with Aviva to automate and streamline in certain business process with the intention of enhancing integration along the supply chain. This collaboration is very good for Petronas in terms of information quality. On the other hand, with the introduction of the solution from Aviva, Petronas has able to share important information to enhance productivity and support corporate decision. In addition to this, many cloud service provider offer complementary data analytics services so that users can get maximum value from the data that their application have collected.
How the Go dashboard is transforming operation at Petronas Gas. First one is innovative tech. The Go dashboard uses advanced progressive web technologies to deliver interactive features, making it seamless and reliable on any device. The second one is improved efficiency. We have improved data reporting speed by 23% through real-time data collection and by removing redundancies, helping teams make faster decisions. The third one is enhanced access. It provides near real-time visualization of asset health and operations, whether on handheld devices in the field or laptops in the office. The fourth one is high adoption. With a 100% user adoption rate and a 6 out of 7 customer efforts solved, the platform is easy and effective to use. Here is how Petronas manages information sharing while keeping privacy and security a priority. The first one is internal sharing. We share data within Petronas Group affiliates, even in countries with lower data protection standards, but always with safeguards in place. The second one is third-party sharing. Data is shared with trusted service providers, business partners, auditors, and legal advisors under strict confidentiality agreements. The third one is legal and regulatory compliance. In some cases, we share data to comply with legal requirements, regulations, or during business asset transfers. The last one is commitment to privacy. Above all, Petronas is committed to confidentiality, transparency, and secure handling of all data. Let me show you how Petronas use social media to connect with our audience and share our values. The first one is audience engagement. We have over 205,000 followers on Instagram and 810,000 followers on Facebook. Our posts focus on energy solutions, sustainability, and community projects. Second is CSR and sustainability focus. We regularly share updates on our community and environmental projects, showing our commitment to social and environmental responsibility. The third one is digital marketing strategy. We use digital tools like content marketing and SEO to increase our visibility and build a loyal community. And the last one is global partnerships. Our partnerships with Mercedes, AMG, Petronas on Formula One teams help us showcase our innovation and sustainability efforts globally. Let's take a quick look at how Petronas manages knowledge to improve efficiency and foster innovation. The first one is focus on operational efficiency and innovation. Our knowledge management practice help us capture, organize, and share knowledge to improve learning, encourage innovation, and ensure sustainability. The second one is communities of practice. We create communities of practice to encourage collaboration and problem solving, helping teams share valuable knowledge and break down silos. The third one is expert interviews and knowledge sharing. Experienced professionals regularly share their insight and lessons to pass down critical knowledge, helping new employees learn faster. The fourth one is lesson learned review. We review past projects to identify successful practices and mistakes, creating a learning environment that encourages improvement. The fifth one is KM technology. We use tools like database, collaboration platforms, and document management system to store and share knowledge, helping us make better decisions and work more efficiently. The last one is cultural integration. Finally, knowledge management is part of our culture. We promote continuous sharing through training, awareness programs, and management support. The conclusion of Petronas' approach to information management is the first one is effective information management. We use advanced technologies like cloud computing for better flexibility, scalability, and security. The second one is technology integration. By working with Aveva and using tools like the Go dashboard, we improve efficiency and get real-time insight. The third one is focus on sustainability and data protection. We follow ISO 27001 standards and invest in data analytics to protect privacy and ensure sustainability. The last one is strategic impact. This approach helps us innovate, make better decisions, and succeed in the energy sector long term.